taking them to try the new Big Thunder Mountain. The dad is mad.
Why?
Because we parked so far.
It's a long way.
No.
It's very far.
Will be stuck by that tall yellow pole at the front. Arms, feet, and legs inside.
Show me your new magic band.
And where we drop you off is also where we need to pick you up later.
I've been wanting it. I thought it was discontinued, but it wasn't. Mom found it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Mom found always everything.
Thank you.
Hello.
All good, come on in, thank you.
Okay, let's go to Big Thunder Mountain. But first, a quick pit stop to the confectionery.
Red delicious.
Only 35-minute wait. This is good. It's early in the day, but it's already so hot. I can't imagine being here at midday. Fresh air. No drinking, no fighting, or whistling. No kid. Why can't I whistle?
What do you think about that?
Explosive. From here, it's possible to see the new cars area under construction. Can't wait. the Seven Dwarfs. It's way better.
It's very long.
Choo choo on that.